I'm something like a big deal. Ain't with the petty.
Welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you guys, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also make sure you like the video. So today I'm going to show y'all a website I did for a client, KarmaMarieBeauty.com. She creates wigs, she does hair, and she is based in Chicago. Also, if you need an official website for your business or brand, feel free to contact me. A website is something that every business owner, every entrepreneur needs. So, it can get tedious and tired of answering a whole lot of inboxes on Facebook or emails or however. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, you sell products, you do hair, whatever the case may be, get you a website for your business brand. So again, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button. So you got your home page, got a nice video, book now button. Nice. Book now. So ladies, if you've seen this and you would like some nice quality wigs, make sure to contact her. Shop. Nice. Follow that, you can see some of her work. Again, this is KarmaMarieBeauty.com. Look at that. Nice. Here's her contact information. And also, you can book. Again, if you're a business owner and entrepreneur, you need a website for a business or brand, feel free to contact me. And here's her FAQ. Something simple. So, again, guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.
I'm something like a big deal. Ain't with